Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. Besides this, I'm coming from JoyTey. Thank you guys for sending me this brand new starry projector light. This does it all, guys. This thing's really cool. Night light, ambience light, relaxation, gift, party light. They got a lot of cosmos, got a lot of planets. They even got the UFO or NASA space guys up there. And you got 20 film discs. I'll show you what they mean by that. 4-hour auto-off, wide-angle projection. Kind of looks like a UFO. Bluetooth function, pickup function, timing function. There's a little bracket on the bottom that you can tilt it. Stars and clouds can flow at adjustable speeds. Realistic and rich space patterns, planets, Nubula, astronauts, and all that good stuff. All right. There we go. We got some goodies here. Comes with a remote control. I just wish it was Alexa you could use, but maybe next one could. Multicolor, different RGBs, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. Plug U disc and play music. So you can have your, memory cards. Comes with a manual, basic. And here are the discs. So there's each one is like what? 1, 2, 5. So you get 3 discs, and the one that comes with it is inside the machine. So you can see kind of right through the different patterns they have. Nubula and some other planets, probably Mars and stuff. Jupiter right there. And then here's the other one. So you can see, we're going to hop in my room right now. I'll bring these discs with me. And then you can see how this thing looks. As you can see here, how it's shaped like a UFO. This does come out, but it's magnetic, so it just goes back right on. Like so. And this is to adjust everything. And right here, right where the USB is, that's where you pull out the disc. And you can see right there how easy it is to pull out. And there's other planets. We'll put that one in for now. Do a test run. Oops. There we go. That's locked in. And of course the bottom below. And there's the speakers. And then the kickstands right there. Shit. Alright guys, we are in the room now. Here we go. It does look like a UFO. You see the bottom. There's a kickstand right there. That's easy to pull out. Like that. And then you can tilt it. Speakers are right here. These glow in the dark. Or not glow in the dark, but RGB. Here is one of the adjusters. You just adjust right there. And this does have a magnetic, like, right there. It does stay on, so, but right there. And then here's all the controls on this. USB, you can have like your music and other stuff. A little bit better. Off right now. Don't be shy. You're live. Here we go. So that's the IR sensor for the remote control. I'll show you that in a second. Right here, so I already showed you how to adjust right here. And then USB right there to power and on. And then right here to take them out. You can see one's locked in, loaded. And now, like, here is the remote control. laser mode, Bluetooth, 1 hour, 2 hour, and I'll shut the lights off in a second and turn that on. Power. Come on. Can I plug it in? It's plugged in. Hold on. Alright guys, here we go. We got it glowing. Got it showing. Got the bling going. Really cool, like I said. We got the kickstand. Gonna show that off right now. Let me just clear some wires up out of the way. The video. Shoot. There we go. That's a boy. Yeah, boy. There we go. Alexa, turn off stout room. Alright guys, we got it going. As you can see, it's really detailed. There's an astronaut. Let me shut off these computers. There we go. Now we got it going. See the little NASA space dude? He's just chilling. You can adjust on its own. Like that. Oh, hold on. Alright, here we go. You can always stare at the moon. There's Earth. But yeah, really good details with the lasers. You can see on top. And I'm going to switch the projector right about now. And now you can see the other planets. Right there. Definitely really cool. There we go. Let that run its course for a second. You can change the lasers, you can have them off. See, you just have a planet going. And then we can just turn it back on, like that. Maybe we can see if you start. You can change the speed up a little bit. We're gonna switch. Here we go. We got these solar systems, Nubula. But yeah, probably would be better in the basement, bigger area. Really cool. I like the lasers though. So it covers a good amount of my room with one of them. So if I had two, definitely would cover. Or depending on where I'm gonna have the position. So I mean, I got options of where, you know, I want to have it set up. And that doesn't distract me from a good night's sleep. So that's another thing. But yeah, really cool. And there's the planet again. And we're gonna switch. And there we go. We just switch to the other side, to the last projector. Just moves. So all I gotta do is find the right area. And that shall be good. But that takes time trying to figure out the right spot. But for right now, this demo looks pretty good. YouTuber's demo. Who's that guy? Alien dude? You never know. The truth is out there. So there you go. See, now that stars is moving. Alright, check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, links are going to be down below. Everything comes with it. Easy to set up and pretty cool. Alright, be safe. Have a good night.